Hello everyone, welcome to our very first video in our series on our Cloud CTF environment. And today we're going to go ahead and cover how to provision a Cloud CTF environment. So we're going to start off in a course within the Virginia Cyber Range. This assumes that you've already created a course. If you need some more information on how to do that, we can link some articles in the description, but let's just jump right into it. So first we're going to click on this Add Exercise Environment button, and this will give us a drop down and we can choose any one of these environments, but the one we're looking for today is Cloud CTF. And then within this form we can change the name of the CTF if we want. We can give it a new description. I'm going to leave these as default for now, but we can go ahead and confirm. And there we go. The environment is now provisioning. We give this just a couple of moments and we'll be right back once it's done provisioning. All right, so the environment has now been provisioned, so we can go ahead and click into our new Cloud CTF. And here from the instructor perspective, you'll see just a little play button here to jump into the environment. Usually this loading only takes a few seconds. And here we go. Now we're loading up into the Cloud CTF environment. You'll see a start button to jump into the environment. And as an instructor, you'll want to select Play Solo. And we'll talk more about team management, things like that in some of our other videos here. And here you go. This is the first dashboard when you first launch a CTF. So I hope this helped anyone who wanted to provision a new Cloud CTF environment. We have plenty of other videos to go over for other components of the Cloud CTF environment, so we hope to see you there.